Yo, y'all ready to win?
Yeah, dog.
I'm a Warzone pro player. I'm a Warzone pro player.
Yeah.
You can find me on YouTube, rashbalash.
I'm about to play Smash. Trying to get some cash. I'm gonna get a rash. Hey, it's rashbalash.
Yo, you got Twitch, dude? You got Twitch?
No, I don't. I'm not good.
Damn. Alright, guys. Risen cock. Block.
Where you guys want to go? Oh, prison cock?
Yeah.
Oh.
What the hell? How did you just kill a Warzone pro player?
I was gonna say, dude.
Good game.
Good game. Go check out my YouTube, rashbalash. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? It's your boy, famous YouTuber rashbalash. Y'all should subscribe to my channel. I'll take that as a yes.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Yo, what's up, guys? Y'all should subscribe to me on YouTube. Search up rashbalash.
All I heard was a lot of fucking gunfire, something about a shout out, something about YouTube.
Yeah, go check me out on YouTube, rashbalash. Yo, I'll give you a shout out.
Rashbalash on YouTube.
Yeah, just my username. Just my username. I'm pretty
200
famous.
subscribers.
Yeah,
Fuck, you got me beat. I think I might have one. I might have one.
Yo, I can make it too.
Yeah, dude, it's me. Yeah, I was about to say, you're making it easy right now.
Oh crap! I picked up the wrong shit.
Oh, fuck, you picked up the most wanted?
It was an accident.
Fuck my life right now.
I really read. Yo, I might be dyslexic. I really read County. Yo, have you guys ever heard of this like famous YouTuber rashbalash?
Yeah, what's his name?
It's rashbalash. It's he's on YouTube. I hear he streams like Warzone.
Oh, dang, dude.
Yeah. I heard if you subscribe to him, he gives you a shout out. So, oh.
Oh, yeah, dude, I'm already subbed.
Oh, dang, did he give you a shout out?
Not yet. I think he said he would do it soon.
Yeah, subscribe to me on YouTube, rashbalash.
Oh, dang.
Wait, I'm not subscribed to your YouTube. Tell me your YouTube channel. I might subscribe. I might not go.
True. Classic.
Ladies, you got guns, dude. I have pistol.
Are you supposed to sound like a Autobot that's underwater? Wow, I might unsub now.
Nah, dude, don't.
Yeah, I'm gonna unsub now, dude.
Damn.
I'm taking fire.
Dang.
Yo, since you died, you have the time to sub to rashbalash on YouTube.
Yes, I do, dude. What's your stupid channel?
Well, I guess that was it.
I guess so.
What's up?
I don't know, it just looks like a new game starting.
Rashbalash.
Yeah, that's my YouTube, rashbalash.
Say rash my ass. I have a
Rashbalash.
rash on my ass.
Yo, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, rashbalash, I can fix it up.
Well, you gonna fix my ass up?
Yeah,
Are you gonna
boy.
sub to my YouTube channel?
Sure.
Fix up my fucking subs?
Hell yeah, I got you.
Met a whole 6 of them. Mine's Road to Damascus, but I haven't done anything yet.
Don't worry. You can still get this.
Rashad Balashov?
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
Alright, subscribed.
Yo, thanks so much, dude.
Alright, where are we dropping? Cause this circle sucks.
It kind of does.
Good, we're good here. I got my weapons.
Yeah, just stay.
This is insane.
I'm outside the circle!
No, you'll be fine, dude. You'll be
Oh, no!
Oh, no!
This is the best day of my life. I met rashbalash, the really famous YouTuber.